Hi, Pooch. Hi, Poochie. Hi, Poochie. Woo! So, guys, we're going street scrap.
Hey, son.
Somebody going sailing, guys. Check that out.
That something that looks like it belongs in Florida. It's a cruiser.
Going to hit the beach.
That belongs in Florida. Florida, man.
A bit of scrap right there.
Back there. Oh, we can't get rid of them.
UPS. Dogs barking everywhere. It's a UPS, not us. Got a fan, guys. Hi, Poochie. All right. Okay.
Hi, puppy. Puppy.
Some kind of alarm. Okay, buddy. I didn't want to get, it's all busted glass and everything.
Oh, you all by yourself? Why are you all by yourself for? You take care.
We got a roadblock up ahead, guys. Not sure what's going on here, so I'm gonna have to park here because I can't get around. They're letting people out. Good, I could get my.
Why did he shut his? How come he had his headlights on and he shut them off?
Because we're here.
Oh, okay. That's weird. They got curtains on the window.
Our headlights are on or no?
Yeah, we're in the middle of the road.
Hello. Thank you. Some scrap metal. There you go. Scrap metal.
I just got no truck to move that around anymore.
Yeah, I know.
White House is for sale.
No problem.
It's got my age number on it.
You get a good haul of it Tuesday, huh?
Yeah, sometimes. So nothing. Yeah. All right. Oh, you did? Alright guys, so the guy gave me some nails and stuff, which was really cool.
Did you see they were brand new?
No, they look brand new. They're still in the...
Oh.
I don't know if they're moving or what they're doing, but...
I doubt they don't look like
people are pretty cool.
Yeah, they look like they're in their 50s.
They said he might have more stuff out, so I'll swing back over there later on the way back or something.
Oh wait, we gotta keep an eye on the time.
See if he has some stuff. It's nice meeting people when you're out and about.
So good, it's 7:20.
Normally people are really nice
Cutting their grass over here.
when you're street scrapping. Guy cutting his grass at night.
It's starting to get dark and he's cutting his grass. You need to put your headlights on when you get back in.
My headlights ain't on? Some scrap right here, guys.
I can't reach. You're gonna have to.
So I don't want to bust the window with fan.
Yeah, you want
Alright guys, we got some scrap here. That's a nice picture too. Huh?
What are you gonna do with that?
It's a nice picture, guys.
What's this say number? Oh, I guess they're house number's 48. Oh my God, the guy's in the driveway talking on the phone and you took the picture from this garbage. What are you gonna do with that
Was he
picture?
calling the cops?
No, you looked like he was on the phone already. You probably didn't even know you took a shit.
Shit, I'm not even looking on the road.
You better.
That used to be a coffee shop, guys. Many, many years ago. Put a little bit of scrap. Oops. Keep her from the landfill. There's something right here, guys. Piece of scrap.